Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, this is a French country trash to treasure. So come on with me, guys. So the first thing that I did is I went ahead and cleaned off this jar that we're going to be using as a vase. I also purchased that cloth. It's a fat quarter, and I think I got that at Walmart. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm cutting the fabric to Mod Podge or decoupage this to the jar. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Talented Creators, and the host of this collaboration is DIY with Aria and Low Lids Creations DIY. They have a guest host, and it's Okay at Home DIY, and it is a Mother's Day theme made with glass. Now, what I am doing here is I finished cutting that strip of cloth, which is absolutely gorgeous. It is a beautiful lavender color. So I'm going to decoupage, which just simply means that we want to take some Mod Podge and we want to lay the cloth on that glass. So we're going to place some Mod Podge on the glass, and then we're going to go ahead and lay the fabric. We're going to do that all the way around. Once it's all laid down and I've already cut off the excess, we're going to go back and seal it in with another coat of Mod Podge upon the top. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll be back in the video once I get done with this. So now the Dollar Tree is carrying this pearl wrap that I absolutely love. And look how beautiful it looks. So I am measuring because I think I want to go ahead and wrap this once. I may want to wrap it twice to just get the top of that jar. So this is the next step that we're doing. And I'm using hot glue to lay it down. So now I did decide to go ahead and measure the top where that rim is, and we want to cover that, guys. We don't want that to show. So I'm going to go ahead and split that bling wrap in two or in half, and then we're going to go ahead and cover that part there. So in the Dollar Tree seasonal section, where all of the Easter stuff is, they have these embellishment Easter egg wooden ornaments. I love them. You get a whole pack of them. I'm just going to take out 4, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue that around that jar. Then I decided to go ahead and go in my stash, and I found the peep ribbon. I absolutely love that. So I measured that around where the cloth is, and we're gonna put that around the center all the way around the jar with the hot glue. So doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? Guys, I am loving it. So now I was going to go ahead and color those Easter eggs, but I just wanted to leave them in their natural state of wood. So I'm going to put 4. So north, south, east, and west is how I work. So we're going to go ahead and glue that. And all the while, we're still waiting for that Mod Podge to dry on that fabric. I have a tendency on not waiting, but it's okay. It'll all dry together. Now, I like to put bows on everything, so I have to make a bow out of that peep ribbon, and then we're gonna go ahead and glue that to the jar. I'm gonna run and go get some florals, and we're gonna go ahead and put this together before heading over to the reveal. So doesn't this look absolutely amazing? I am loving it. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. I think this came out so beautiful, at the same time festive. So isn't this the most adorable little accent piece? I think that mom is gonna absolutely love it, especially with those peeps. And I love white florals, so you knew I was gonna stick those in there. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.